The next slide is on gross and net income. Remember, gross income is how much you have at the start of your paycheck. Gross income. Remember, in class we have talked about a basketball net, like the basketball going through the net. Gross income, how much money you have before anything is taken out. But when you see your paycheck, it's going to be quite a bit lower. That's going to be your net income. So you start off with this much. Then the federal government takes out taxes. The federal government taxes, this is taxes for, that pays for the armies, that pays for our congressmen to work, pays for a lot of different things. Social Security, ooh, I made a little typo there. Social Security also gets taken out. This is what happens. So you pay into Social Security every month, and then when you retire, then you'll start receiving Social Security. So you'll get your money back. It just takes a while. Medicare, everybody pays into this. What this is in case something happens, you fall and you break a leg, Medicare will help pay for a little bit. So what you're going to do is you're going to add up all three, or you're going to times your gross income by these amounts, by 0.05, 0.6, 0.1, and you're going to get each of those amounts, and that's then going to be subtracted from your gross and get your net. So that's really confusing. So now let's look at this. So on your person, first slide, type in your person's name. So our example is FDR. I'm going to choose how much I want them to make. It cannot be over 50,000. To make this simple, because this is an example, I'm going to say that they get 50,000. So now I'm going to come down here. See how it says gross income? I'm going to highlight that, and I'm just going to start typing. Then I'm going to say 50,000 times 0.25. Because this is an example and I'm going through it pretty quick, I'm going to use a calculator. When you are doing this on your own, you can double check your work on a calculator, but you need to do the first round on a sheet of paper, okay? It's very important. So double check your work with a calculator, first round on a sheet of paper. Okay, so for FDR, 50,000 times 0.25 is going to be 12,050. Now I'm going to do the same thing for my Social Security. Remember, this is how all the money you pay now, and then you get it back when you retire. So I'm going to do 50,000 times, here's where everybody gets confused. It's 0.06. So 2 significant decimals. My answer is 30,000 equals, 3,000. Okay, so the same thing down here for your gross income. You're going to take 50,000 times it by 0.01. So 1, 2, 3 times 0.01. Oops, 0.1. See that? It's 0.01 equals 500. Okay, now you're going to come back. See how it says gross down here for your net? Set it right there, please. And then for federal tax, you're going to take this amount right here, that 12,500, and you're going to put it right here. So all you're doing is you're working through Social Security, Medicare, we got 500. So all I did is I went back in and I did all that. Then you're going to do 50,000 minus 12,500 minus 3,000 minus 500. Minus. And that's going to equal 34,000. Is it 500 or 0? 1, 2, 3. All right, that is how you do that slide. If you have any questions, let me know, but first ask a partner.